Now that your QuickFrames order has arrived, here are your next steps. This is what a typical shipment looks like. You will need a forklift to unload the pallet from the freight carrier, or liftgate service is also available. Each shipment will include design plans and installation guidelines that will be noted on the outside of the plastic wrap on the pallet. Once you remove the plastic wrap, locate the shipping tube where your plans are packaged, then finish unpacking by removing the metal bands. The angle brackets and carton containing hardware will be secured on top of the main rails and cross rails. Our frames come in 4 different gauges: 3/16, 10, 12, and 16 gauge. Frames can either have standard or wide flanges. When attached, the hanger and the end of the main rail must touch the vertical surface of the hanger to be considered secure. To get started on your installation, open your QuickFrames plans. QuickFrames consist of 2 types of rails: main rails and cross rails. Main rails span from joist to joist, and cross rails span between the main rails. On your plans, main rails are identified by black connector symbols found at the end of each rail. Cross rails do not have end connector symbols. The type of black connector symbol indicated in the plan signifies the gauge of the QuickFrame main rail. There are 4 gauges of main rail that can be used: 3/16, 10, 12, and 16 gauge. On QuickFrames plans, each rail length is assigned a unique color so you can pick out one rail from another. An easy way to determine the size of any QuickFrames rail is to count the number of slots per rail and multiply by 5. This rail has 8 slots, so it's part of a 40-inch rail set.